Hi. How is everyone's Sunday doing? Yes, I am gonna announce the winners. Actually, you know what? Let's do that today. Let me just put my lipstick on, okay? There, power. Okay. So, how is everyone doing? Thank you, Erika and Janshi. Thank you, Haring Gorgeous. Where you get your eyelashes done? I get it done in Pretty Lounge. Oh, Secret Lounge. Pretty Lounge. Secret Lounge in BGC. They're so good. Kasi like, these have been on my eyes since the moment of time. Like, ang tagal. And the thing about them is, kapag nagpapagawa ako sa other lash salons, and nalalagas yung real lashes ko, because it's normal. Like, your eye, when you do eyelash extensions, like, yung real lashes mo is malalagas. And at some point, hindi siya magiging full glam kasi wala nang kakapin. For some reason, sila, nagagawa na ng paraan na maging full glam kahit wala na akong lashes. Hi, Jeff Agustin. Darlene Kizon, love the dress. Thank you. I got this from Shopee. Thank you, Jave. Okay. How is everyone doing? Ang tahimik ng life ko. Thank you, Dumb Peanut. Okay, so I was thinking I'm gonna go look for a platform where what's your current weight? Right now, I'm 57 kilos. Why? Do you guys like the hair? The hair is different now. The hair is darker. The hair is darker. I feel like it's classier. What do you guys think about the hair? Hi, John Ray. How are you? John Ray, I have a question. Do you already have a hair salon sponsor? Because I want to get you for Design Studio. We like everything about you. Thank you. What shade of lippy are you using? Oh my gosh. Okay. So, sometimes, lagi may backstory, no? Sometimes, pagka may product akong na-try, tapos hindi ko nagustuhan, like, ang tagal ko siyang hindi gagamitin. John Ray, I got you. Whatever hair treatment, hair color you want, I got you, girl. Let's DM about that, but I wanna get you. Anyway, so eto, pinadala to sa akin ni Klosh Flame. The first time I tried it, I was like, not a fan. But then now that I tried it again, it's actually so good. It smells so delicious. The formula, matte but not drying matte and not too matte. The color, I love. Even better than Sunny's Face. I used to like rave about Sunny's Face lipstick. I still do love them, don't get me wrong, but this is just nice. And I feel sad na binigay ko kay Lovely yung isang color. Binigay ko kay Lovely yung bunny. Oh well. Wala na. Hindi ko na siya pwedeng bawiin. And sabihin na, babe, gusto ko pala siya. Okay, kunyari interview. Go, ask me questions. This is irritating me. Like my eyebrow grew. I think I should shave it. Earring link, babes? Really? Okay, this is just Shopee as well. Kasi nauso yung ano, this is like a dupe for the Bottega Veneta earrings that Kylie Jenner wore. Nauso kasi yung ganyan. Girl, Shopee lang yan. Wala pang 500. And so far, hindi pa siya nag-fade. Ah! Ems! Ganda. Thank you, CJ Santos. Paging Lovely. Pasauli daw. By the way, hindi ko nasagot yung tanong. This is corset. But maganda rin yung bunny. Tapos kapag ka bumili kayo sa kanila, pakisabi na lang na Shanika recommended para bigyan nila uli ako kasi binigay ko kay Lovely yung isa eh. Nagsisi ako. Dapat pala hiram lang. Ems! Okay. What is your vital statistics? I'm a 30. Actually, hindi ko alam. Check na natin. Wala akong tape measure. So, eto na lang. Steel measuring tape. Pwede ba? Pwede kaya to? Okay. So, 34. Okay, 34. 26 or 20. 26. Pag payat, 25. Kapag ka hindi payat, 26, 27. And then, 37 hips. Wahaha, you're so funny. Anong sinabi kong funny? Guys, abangan nyo. Mag-a day in my life na ako sa TikTok. Pwede nyo ba akong i-follow doon? Kasi ang sad nung views doon. Nakakatamad tuloy mag-a day in my life doon. Panoorin nyo na. Na-shadow ban ako. Tapos parang ever since na-shadow ban ako. Kasi ang tagal kong hindi nag-TikTok. So, na-shadow ban ako. Tapos, dati umaabot ng millions yung views ko. Tapos, na-shadow ban ako. Wala. Ang baba ng views. Tinamad na ako. Kaya, help me revive it, please. Anong mangyayari if like, I made a TikTok because of you. Aw, thank you. Please help me revive my TikTok. Speaking of TikTok, sabi nung ex ko, stinok daw niya yung TikTok ko. Yan. Where is Umair? Probably in Northern Ireland. Ano pa? Lagi na ako nagla-live. Ang saya kasi. Would make you stop being friends with someone? What? You're not making sense. What do you mean? Girl, kulang. Anong kulang? Anong kulang? Where you going, love? I just got home. I went to this coffee shop. I had lunch with Dane Jesheron. If you guys know her. Siya yung Ariana Grande ng Philippines. Yung parang, yung kumanta na, ay yung naglalako ng taho in an Ariana Grande voice. Like, she was on TV. Like, we catched up. Like, made chika about life, yun, gossip, whatever. Bakit ka tumatawa, Jerry? Hi, Shira. Isang hi lang, Shanika. Hi, not Majb. Not Majb. Your name must be Majb. Party daw, gawin mong Nike logo yung kilay. Party daw. Patry daw, gawin mong Nike logo yung kulay. Hoy, hindi na ako party girl. So, like, I'm done with that era. I'm in my... Yes. Diyosa ka talaga sa kagandahan. Why, thank you. Are you single right now? Yes, of course. I've been single for 10 months now. Do you have YouTube channel? Yes. Party na party. Yes! Kasi ang tagal ko na hindi pa party. Kaya siguro sinabi ko party. Guys, I have a question. Bagay ba sa akin maging nonchalant? Like, maging mainhin? Try natin. In 3, 2, 1, action. How's your day? Have you eaten lunch? Parang hindi. OMG, what happened to your previous relationship? Then we broke up. You look so tan, Shanika. Suits you. Thank you. Mademoiselle? Di po. Mas bagay OA. I'm actually OA. What happened to you and the boy in your vlog before? We broke up. Fearless C. Hi, babe. More vlogs pa po with her, please. With who? Anong pros and cons ng pagiging single? Okay, I love this question. Thank you very... Oh my God, I love this question! Ano ba yung TikTok na yun? Anyway. Okay, so... Ang lamig! Tapat yung aircon sa akin. My gosh. Ah, it's so freaking cold. Ayan. Okay. Dito tayo. Para tayo nasa Paris. Ayan. Hindi ko dapat pinapakita yan eh. Kasi dapat nakikita niyo yun sa vlog ko. Ayan. Iharap natin yung lip ko. Sayang. Yung pa-design natin. May pabakit na o, diba? Hey guys! Welcome to my podcast. Okay. Okay, balik na tayo. Sagutin na natin ang tanong. So, what's the pros and cons of being single? Pro is, no boy problems. Walang sakit sa ulo. Number 2, you get to discover yourself. Like, so much. Number 3, you actually become stronger and more independent because, like, wala kang aasahan to help you with any physical work, pagbubuhat, whatever. And wala kang aasahan emotionally. So, you become stronger and more... You become stronger, tougher. You become more secure with yourself because you try to learn how to control your emotions and not be able to dump these emotions and rely on somebody else. You get to actually, learn how to regulate your anxiousness, your emotions, this and that. Number 4, you have all the time in the world to do whatever it is that you want because you don't have another person to think about. Explore. Number 5, Ano pa ba? Pros ng single. Number 5, you get to be able to talk to different people and learn from them. Kasi when you're in a relationship, you have to be considerate about your partner's feelings and, you know, like make sure that he is comfortable with the people that you talk to, so you can't really like learn much because, I mean, you learn in different ways, but there are things that you learn from meeting different kinds of people. Diba? Okay, cons naman tayo. Cons is, mas magastos kasi walang malilibre sa'yo. Number 2 is, sometimes when you want an instant comfort, you don't have that because, like, when you have a boyfriend and you're not single, they're just literally one call away and you can like vent and express yourself. Number 3 is, con is, there's really not much cons, honestly, especially with women. With women, I feel like it's more of a risk for us to be in a relationship because like women tend to be so free and so happy single, and yes, like the things that a guy or a boyfriend can do is, I feel like nowadays women can do. Like, ano ba ang pinaka main thing that a guy can provide a woman? It's security, it's safety, it's providing. But these days, the modern woman has money. They can provide for themselves. They're surrounded with friends for emotional support. So whenever a woman becomes in a relationship with a man, it's more of like they're giving away a big part of themselves and like they're taking care of someone kasi we're nurturing individuals as women. So I feel like wala masyadong con. If anything, women are very happy single, and they have to, like, honestly, if you're a girl and you're not in love in your relationship, be single. Because like the only thing that you can get out of a relationship as a woman is love, real love, which is like something you cannot get in being single. Okay, for a man naman, it is such a pro for them to have a girlfriend because in a man's world, they are not allowed to be vulnerable. They are not allowed to like be emotional and share their feelings or show any signs of weakness. Like, nadjudge sila man to man, nadjudge sila in the workplace, nadjudge sila in any situation, and they only have the outlet with the woman. Like, when they're talking to their woman or they're surrounded with their girl, that's the only time they can be vulnerable, and it gets tiring as a guy to have your walls so high up. And so I feel like there's more pros to a guy having a relationship. Like, yes, they wouldn't be able to sleep around, but really, what does that do to you? Like, you can sleep with your girlfriend. Like, more varieties lang siguro yung mawawala sa kanila. But with a healthy and right relationship, they can grow and they can build a career, you know. Aalagaan pa sila. May pagkain pag uwi nila. May mag-aayos ng gamit nila. May mag-encourage sa kanila. So really, okay, yun lang. Ang haba ng sagot? Sayang energy mo. Paano kayo naging friends ni Ate Danica? Oh my gosh, pwede ko kayang ikwento. Ang funny ng story kung paano kami naging friends. Kasi during this time, she was talking to somebody. This friend ko yung talking to somebody niya. Actually, next time na. I'm not gonna share this without her. Kailangan magkasama kami. Alam ko na, pag nagmukbang kami, yun na lang yung topic. Hey, I love you so much, fearlessly. Valerie De Leon. Pinoy or foreigner? These days, I'm not gonna lie and I'm not gonna deny, I am attracted to foreigners more because that is my number one, that's my usual type. Number two, they're just more independent because at an early age, at 18, pinalayas na sila ng magulang nila and they already moved to a different country. They already have they've already built a career for themselves early on. Usually, not saying all the time, usually. And I notice with Filipino guys, medyo late bloomers sila here because Filipino households are very nurturing, like at what age sila nagmo-move out. And I think that like an independent individual is just much more compatible to me because I've always been that way, and I need a man who either can level with me or a man that is like ahead of me because I love learning. I'm a learner. I love learning from people, especially my partner. So I would need someone to be smarter than me, hopefully more successful than me, or successful in his own way in different ways, because I just like learning from my man and it just makes me respect them even more. You don't have work there? Actually, yeah, I need to. Today, I just have like minimal tasks. It's Sunday, girl. Why are you making me work on a Sunday? I should be resting. Okay. This does have work. Astig ka po, pilot. This girl goes have work? Huh? How old are you? I'm 27. It girl ka. It's my life, dumbass. I'm not saying that. That's her her username. It's my life, dumbass. I'm not saying dumbass. Facts. Love yourself first. Paano kayo naging friends natin, Danica? Where do you work at? I work from home. Are you single na po? Yes. Where do you... What's your hair color? Okay, thank you for asking. I just got my hair done yesterday. Do you like it? Tell me your thoughts. It's ash brown. And right now, I got it done at Design Studio in Makati. It's literally in front of Greenbelt 5. I love it so much. I actually like replicated, pero added like a little difference lang from Kylie Versosa's hair. That's also where Kylie Versosa gets her hair done, and it's so nice because my hair just looks so healthy. We also got like a keratin treatment and it just got revived because it looked like a rodent's hair before this. And I feel like this look just like made me look classier. So they have a ongoing promo right now because this isn't highlights. There's no highlights. There's no balayage. This is only like 5,000 pesos with hair color, haircut, and hair color, haircut, and keratin mask. Are you 100% Filipino? I'm 85%. No. I am 80% Filipino. Thank you. I like it very much. It's so pretty and classy. Thank you. Any advice for women at their 20s trying to figure out life? I'm going to be honest with you. I'm also trying to figure out life. I don't feel like I've figured out life. There are things that like I am still learning up until this day, but I just am not giving up. And as much as I can, every day I try to learn. And I try to improve my life in one way or another. May it be money, financial-wise, may it be emotional-wise, may it even be intellectual-wise, like utak, talino-wise. Like, sometimes I read self-help books. Sometimes I journal because I know that like it can help you navigate your emotions. Like, at one way or another, I am trying to learn and I grab every opportunity presented to me as long as kaya ko. Okay. Nakakauhaw magsalita. May water nga pala ako dito. Books reco. I would recommend Atomic Habits. A friend recommended this to me, but I haven't read it. It's The Art of Not Giving a Fuck. I would recommend audiobooks ni Ryan Holiday. Stoicism. I would recommend that. That really helped me. What's the other 20%? Kaya pala matangos ilong mo. Beautiful nose. Thank you. I am 20% American. Alam niyo guys, parang gusto ko mag-podcast. Feel ko bagay ako mag-podcast. Pero like, she's not American. I did not say I'm full American. I am 20%. My lola is half American. So, why are you hating? You don't even know who my family is. And you don't have the facts about me. Like, you don't know, like, my background. Go podcast. Yeah. Alam niyo who I want to go on a podcast with? I kind of want to go on a podcast with John Ray. Like, parang ang saya. Actually, you guys don't have any questions. I'm gonna end this live because I need to do some stuff. Yeah, is she born in the Philippines, man? Okay, first of all, it's not a requirement, like, to be born in the Philippines and then, like, it invalidates your bloodline. Yes, I was born in the Philippines, but half American yung lola ko. So, hindi porket pinanganak ako dito, wala na akong other blood mixed with me. Like, walang kinala. There's nothing connected between where you are born and what ethnicity you are. Like, it's just not connected. You could be full Filipino, but you're born in the US. I did not say I am half American. My lola is half American. Therefore, I have... Okay, girl. Sige, Sandy Kim. Full Filipino na. Like, alam mo eh. Are you single po, Ate Shan? Yes. Case link. It's from Shopee. I'll recommend soon. Workout routine. Okay, let me explain what I do with my workouts. Shungani Sandy. Okay, so every Monday, I do Pilates. I want... Sandy Kim, pala decision ka po. Ikaw po, Shih Tzu live. Okay, every Sunday, I do Pilates at 7. I do Pilates. And then Tuesdays, I lift weights. Every Wednesday, I do hot yoga at Vida Yoga. Hot yoga is truly... Okay, let me explain why I do each na lang. So, I do Pilates for a full body workout and because I want to tone up my arms. I want that Pilates, alam niyo yung toned, model-esque body na parang like their arms are so small and toned. And like Kylie Jenner's arms right now, it's like small and toned. So I do Pilates every Monday because of that, and it's like my full body workout. Like, it works out my back, my core, everything else. Tuesdays, I lift weights leg day because I want to keep that booty. And then Wednesdays, I do Vida Yoga because I think it's good for your health and your body to do, because it's like a hot mat Pilates type of workout. So like they make the temperature of the vicinity very hot. So I feel like every week, yun na yung sauna ko. Like sauna or sauna. Sauna ko. Yun na yung sauna ko. So I remove excess, like I remove fat, excess fat, bloat myself, water retention, and yun. I love it. It's truly the best. Amazing. Like, you guys have to try it in Vida Yoga. Yung gagawa ng Wednesdays. Thursdays, I'm gonna, usually rest day yung Thursday, but I'm gonna do a 20-minute workout lang in EMS. It's like parang may mga nakakabit sa'yo na mga device, tas like parang tinitrigger na yung muscles mo. So like para kang nag-M-sculpt nang nag-workout. So 20 minutes lang siya, and it's equivalent to like 3 hours working out in the gym. Every Friday, I'm gonna lift weights again, and do legs again. And then on the weekends, I wanna, hindi ko pa nasa-start, I wanna do dancing or like pole or something. Do you lift weights upper body? Yes. I do that in Pilates. Ano po brand ng lipi mo? It's Cloche Flame Corset. I think try mo po content rin here sa IG and TikTok yung workout routine mo. When is your next vlog? Yeah. How about your cardio? Okay, for cardio, I try to walk. Try lang. I try to complete 10K steps a day, pero ito yung itsura na, here's the realistic of trying. Let me show you my steps. So, I try to have 10K steps, 10K steps a day, pero realistically, I work from home, so, yan. So, nung may 7K, may time 8.5, may time 9.8, may time 9.9, may time 6K, 6K, 8K. Paano mo malalaman kapag meron kang fake friend? Okay, so I'm not that good with analyzing if someone is being fake to me or not. I just eventually find out when they actually do something incriminating, like may ginawa sila, and sometimes, you know, it bites me in the ass, but whatever, it's life. You do something to me, okay, it's a lesson learned. I'm not gonna make things scar me, and like I'm afraid to build friendships and make connections, because like who knows, you could be making like the best connection with people if you don't try. You have a walking pad or wala? Dito lang sa BGC, naglalakad lang ako. Do you often trust your gut instincts po when it comes to people? No, I always give the benefit of the doubt. And that's why I get bite. I mean, people, I end up getting bit in the ass because of that. Hey, Rob. Anyway, yun lang. I'm tired na to talk. But if you have questions, okay, bye!